Good morning, sir. See you soon. Hi, guy. How much would you like to fill up?
Why is no one coming here to fill up? I need to figure out a way.
How to build the gas station. Step 1. Build the electric fuel pump. Install the motor and battery box. Install the pump nozzle. Testing the electric fuel pump. Pour gasoline into the tank. Step 2. Build the fuel dispenser. Install the meter. Connect fuel dispenser to electric fuel pump. Install the nozzle. Step 3. Set up the gas station. Install the canopy. Install Casey's supermarket and the restroom. I have many Lego pieces like this. Let's install parking area. Install car maintenance area. I will organize the car oil cans on the shelf. Welcome to our new gas station. We're excited to serve you.
Grand opening today. Come fuel up. Quality fuel and service await you.
Very impressive.
How dare you steal customers from me?
Please fill up the tank.
Thanks for choosing us. Please swipe your card to pay. Thank you.
Wow, there's a supermarket. That's so convenient.
Fill up my gas tank, please.
Sure, I'll fill it up right away. Thank you. Just a moment, we're topping up the fuel. Gas station is back online. Go ahead and fill up.
What's going on?
You've been arrested for selling low-quality fuel.
I didn't do it. I'm innocent.
Here comes my revenge.
Fishing port.
It's time for fishing, bro.
Yes, sir.
Our boat is full of fish. We need to go to the fish drop-off, Dockmaster.
Please wait, the bridge will open right now.
How to build fishing ship.
I brought the parts to assemble the ship.
Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Build the loading conveyor belt. This loading conveyor is used to pull fish up from the sea. The support frame. Lego tread links. The gearbox. The motor. Connect to the battery box. I'll build another one to bring the fish into the ship. Step 2. Build the unloading conveyor belt. Lego tread links. Add the motor. Now, let's connect the two conveyors together.
I want to test if this conveyor can transport fish up.
Lego fish and crab. Now, let's attach the conveyors to the ship and add the wheelhouse.
Let's move this fish to the gathering place, everybody. We're done. Let's go home. Oh no, what happened? This boat is too big. Oh no, the boat is about to sink. Someone help us.
You will need a better fishing boat.
I'll reuse this collecting boat from my previous episode to fish.
This boat might boost our productivity 10 times. It worked so well. We caught more fish than the old boat. All the fish have been unloaded onshore. Let's move, everyone. We'll go to the next fishing port. Awesome, the boat has successfully turned around.
Welcome to the LEGO Off-Road Challenge. Today, we've got 3 brutal LEGO terrains ready to push our cars to the limit. Which of the 4 vehicles will bring back the most water? Let's get started. Or B's. Magnet Mechanism car will go first. In the first area, a lot of water and Orbs were spilled out. Despite that, Magnet Mechanism car still easily overcomes LEGO gears. Magnet Mechanism car has arrived successfully. Pendulum Mechanism car is at the starting line. It's struggling through the rough LEGO terrain. The water tray stays perfectly balanced. Pendulum Mechanism car completed the challenge. The pendulum mechanism seems to balance the water tray really well. Next is clamping mechanism car. It's getting difficult. Oh no! Its wheels can't even climb the LEGO slope. The last one, stabilization mechanism car. It's moving steadily across the LEGO surface. Oh no! How lucky! The car tipped over, but the water and Orbs are still safe. Pendulum Mechanism car brought back more water than Magnet Mechanism car. So, our winner is Pendulum Mechanism car.
I can't even catch a single fish. There's so much trash. Stop, don't dump trash into the ocean. Let's build the automatic drain cleaner.
Step 1. Build the conveyor system. Install the chain. Step 2. Build the lifting arm. Build the support gear. Testing support gear with the ring. Build the support frame. Build 2 rotary shafts. Install the support frame to conveyor system. Install the support gear. Step 3. Install the sweeping propeller. Step 4. Build the waste discharge system.
The automatic drain cleaner has been completed. Let's begin to see cleanup. Great job. Oh no, there's still a lot of trash out there. I must upgrade the machine.
How to upgrade the automatic drain cleaner. Step 1. Build the propeller. Step 2. Build the floating buoy.
I use Formix and empty plastic bottles. I have 2 floating buoys.
Step 3. Build the engine and transmission system. Install the battery box. Step 4. Final fitting.
Let's keep cleaning up the trash. Let's move forward and clean up the trash. Yeah, I've cleaned up all the trash from the ocean.
Let's dump some trash.
Stop! Why throw trash into the ocean again? I just cleaned and they pollute again.
Somewhere in the Amazon.
It's been an hour. Where's the gold?
Calm down. They said there's gold here.
It's real gold, buddy.
Wow! We found gold. It's in the swamp.
Wow, that's a ton of gold.
We're about to get rich.
Let's mine the gold quickly.
How to build the gold mining crane? Step 1. Build the moving arm. This gear set allows the crane to rotate left and right. Aha! The conveyor has delivered the parts for the moving arm. Linear actuator. This linear actuator enables the arm to lift and lower. Step 2. Build the gripper. Motor. Next, I'll use this digger bucket to grab objects. Connect 2 parts together. Connect to the battery box. Testing with Lego diamonds. These tooths prevent the bucket from grabbing the studs. I'll replace it with this toothless bucket. I'll test again with this toothless bucket. Gold mining crane is complete. I'll add this Lego mesh tray to catch the mined gold.
Let's get to work, everyone.
The crane is ready to grab the gold.
Wow.
The crane has dug up the first batch of gold.
I want to increase production even more.
This water wheel will boost the water force significantly.
That's a lot faster.
So much gold.
Wow!
All this gold is ours, buddy.
Huh?
What's that?
Oh no, the crocodiles.
Crocodile attack.